Yeah. Today I am going to start a new lesson. The name of the lesson is A Walk to the River. What is the name of the lesson? A Walk to the River. Means Kapil and his uncle, they both are going for a walk to the river. How you were going to the walk before Corona with your parents? Saturday, Sunday, when they were free, morning you were going for a walk, no? Same way, Kapil and his uncle, they both are going for a walk. So we'll start. It is a bright and sunny morning. Kapil and his uncle are going for a walk to the river. It's a bright and a sunny morning. How is the sun? The sun is bright and sunny. Today, how is the sun? He is very dull. He is not bright today. Why? Because it is, yes. Today it is very cloudy outside. Yes, outside it's very cloudy today. But when Kapil and his uncle were going for a walk, how was the sun? He was bright and sunny. Sun was very, very happy. How was the sun? He was very happy. Bright and sunny. Yes. Kapil and his uncle are going for a walk to the river. Where were they going? Kapil and his uncle, they both were going for a walk. Where they were going? They were going near the river side. Where they were going? They were going near the river side. In Bangalore, you can't find any river here. But if you go to the native place, there will be many big rivers, small river, pond. All these things will be there in the native or in your village. So when we were small, we were playing in the small river type. How we were playing, you know, we used to take small paper boat and we used to live in the water and we used to play. And we used to take some towel and we used to catch fish in the small river or pond. Small pond will be there and we used to catch fish in this pond. I think your mummy daddy might have played when they were small. But now you can't find all these things. Ask your mummy whether she had played when she was small. Yes, they might have played. When they were small, your mummy, daddy might have played, taking small boat, making small boat with the paper and they put it in the water and they play. But now you can't find all these things. Okay. So Kapil and his uncle, they both were going for the walk. When they were going on a way, they met Abu. Whom did they meet? They met Abu. Whom did they meet? Abu. Say the name. Abu. Abu. Yes, they met Abu. When they met, he said, "Good morning, uncle." "Hello, Kapil." Then uncle said, "Good morning, Abu." "Hello, Abu," Kapil said. So when you meet somebody, when you meet anybody bigger than you, that is elder than you, what you are going to say? You have to say, "Good morning, auntie," "Good morning, uncle," or else you can do like this. "Namaste, auntie," "Namaste, uncle." You should do. If you meet anybody elder than you or bigger than you, you should say, "Good morning, auntie," or "Good morning, uncle," or "Namaste, auntie," "Namaste, uncle." See, when Abu met uncle and Kapil, what did he say? He said, "Good morning, uncle," "Good morning, Kapil." This is a good manners that you have to follow. When you grow up or even now when you are small, if anybody come to your house, what are you going to say? You just open the door and are you running inside? No. What you are going to say? If anybody come inside your house, you should say, "Good morning, auntie," "Good morning, uncle." See how Abu said to uncle and Kapil? Even you should say this. Okay. Then Abu is asking, "Uncle, where are you going?" So uncle says, "We are going near the riverside. Are you coming?" Then Abu is a very good boy. He said, uncle, I'll ask my mummy. I'll ask my mummy." Then he went home. Children, whenever you go out or whenever you find somebody outside, if they ask you, come with me, we will go to the market. You should say, "No, I will ask my mummy. I'll ask the permission with my mummy and then I'm coming with you." If anybody calls, you should not go with them. Simply no running. What are you going to say? "I'll ask my mummy. I'll ask my daddy. If they say yes, I will come with you." It may be anybody. like your neighbors, your friends, they might be calling you, come, we'll go to the market. You should never say okay. You should ask the permission with your mummy or daddy, and then you can go. If they say okay, you can go, or else you should not go with anybody. You should never go with anybody without asking the permission with parents. You should not go anywhere. Next, what did Abu do? He ran home. He went home and he's asking mummy, can I go with Kapil's uncle to the riverside? Then mummy said, okay, you can go. Then Abu came back and he joined uncle and Kapil. And these three went to the riverside. Where did they go? They went near the river. Look, the water is shining in the sunlight. The water is, how is the water? The water is shining. Why the water is shining? Because the sun is very shiny today. So the water is also very happy and it's also very shiny. Yes, the water is very shiny. Then they went near the water and they are looking at the water. He says, oh, the water is so clean. I can see the pebbles in the river. What did they say? Oh, the water is so clean and I can see the pebbles. What is the meaning of pebble? Pebble means stone. The another name for a stone is pebble. Say the word pebble. Repeat, pebble. Pebble means stone. Pebble means stone. He said, oh, I am able to see the stone inside the river. Then uncle says, can you see the bridge there? He says, can you see the bridge there? That bridge is very old, but it is very strong. Uncle says, look at that bridge. The bridge is very old, but it's very, very strong. So what is a bridge? What is the meaning of bridge? Bridge means, see, if your school is here and if your home is here, on the way, there is a water. Can you go inside the water? Can you walk on the water? You can't walk on the water. If you go inside the water, what happens? Your dress will be wet. So you can't walk on the water. So how can you cross the road? Or how can you cross the water? So you need something to cross the road. That is called as bridge. A road above the water. A road above the water is called as bridge. So uncle says, look at that. Look at that bridge. It's very old, but it's very, very strong. Then, children, I will show the photo later. I will show the photo of bridge. Then they saw a bus going on the bridge. They saw a bus going on the bridge. Then the kids ask, uncle, where is that bus going? Uncle says, the bus is going to Sevapur. Where is the bus going? The bus is going to Sevapur. Now, they are small kids, no? Even they wanted to go to Sevapur. So they are asking, uncle, will you please take us to Sevapur? Then uncle say, okay, but not today. Next Sunday we'll go to Sevapur. What uncle is telling? Not today. Next Sunday we'll go to Sevapur. Yes, he says, next Sunday we'll go to Sevapur. Then Abu and Kapil both felt very happy. They said, yay, we are going to Sevapur next week. Both felt very happy. And after playing in the water for a few while, they three came back home. The video. Yes. Are you able to see this? Good. So one day, Kapil and his uncle, they both were going for a walk. Kapil and his uncle look here. Kapil and his uncle, they both were going for a walk near the river. When they were going, they met Abu. Whom did they meet? They met Abu on the road. Then Abu says, good morning, uncle. Good morning, Kapil. Where are you going? Uncle says, we are going to Riverside. Are you coming with us? Abu said, yes, I would like to come with you. Then Abu says, Uncle, I'll go and ask my mummy that whether I can come with you. Abu goes home. He ran home and he asked his mummy, Mummy, can I go to Riverside with Kapil's uncle and Kapil? Mummy said, okay. Then he came back. Abu came back and he says, Uncle, I'm coming with you. Now they went near the riverside. Now uncle is showing, look at this. Look at this bridge. This bridge is very old, but it's very strong. See, can you see the bridge, children? Can you see the bridge? It's on the water. Ah. He says, can you see this bridge? It's very strong, but it's very old. Now, the children, they were playing in the water and they says, oh, the water is so clean and I can see the pebbles inside the water. Pebbles means stone. They say I can see the pebbles inside the water. Now, kids are asking uncle, where is this bus going? Uncle says, that bus is going to Sevapur. The bus is going to Sevapur. Now, these kids also want to go to Sevapur in the bus. So they ask, Uncle, will you please take us to Sevapur? So uncle said, okay, next Sunday I will take you to Sevapur. By listening this, these two kids felt very happy. Abu and Kapil felt very happy and they said, thank you, uncle. Thank you very much. And they all played in the water for a while and they all came back home.